Alright guys, we are back. We're back, bro. Yesterday was a tough day. How we broke even on that. We should have took profits, but it's alright. We'll figure it out, bro. We will definitely figure it out. You see this next 5 minute, not this one, but the next one, having a really good pull for us. Let's see. Alright. So although this is a good 1 minute, 5 minutes still red. And I want it to be green before I enter in, right? So what I'm looking for is I'm just looking for a green candle. Perhaps we retest this, come back up, engulf it, or we stay with the pinch, right? It's really all I need. By the looks of it, I feel like we could just reverse fully from here, engulf this one right here. If that is the case, and then keep going up. Or we could just, come right here, come back up, chop around here. That'd be beautiful. But yeah, this looks like we're probably going to be breaking it. TBH. No worries, though. No worries. So we're gonna go for this one. But we're still kind of in this range right here. What's up, Sadie? No, it's Sadie. We're probably not even gonna stay up here. We're probably gonna come up here again too. I don't want us to come back down here though. You feel me? I don't want to just enter off. Let's keep going high. I feel like once we come back, I can get stopped out. So we'll wait until we create a low, probably until we get like maybe somewhere around here, perhaps this level, right? So we'll see. We'll see. Definitely looks good though to place it. Place something right there. It's just look at these ticks. I'd be risking way too much. But we could go long right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Tap into today's market open right there. This is the shit I was talking about. I do not want to enter on this. I I did, but we still have a good engulfing right here. 1 minute engulfing, 5 minute engulfing right there too. This should definitely work. I'm just scared if we do have a pullback, we get stopped out right here, and we keep going back up. So I'm just scared we're gonna retest this right here. This engulfing right here. That would really, really suck. Don't like that at all. Respecting this key level. Hopefully we keep this key level. If not, it was a fail. That fucking saved us. If you could close like that though, that would be beautiful. Jewish fake out. What the heck, AB, bro? What's up, my dog, AB? My bad, bro. I just opened up. Fuck, dude. What the fuck is this, bro? We're obviously rejecting the fuck out of this, bro. You know, we're like, this is our good support right here. Come on, bro. Go ahead and break it, bro. There's no point for us to keep doing this shit back and forth. You got another engulfing with that hammer, though, too. Look, ES already fucking broke it, bro. ES is already breaking it right now, dude. We're just fucking delayed on here on NQ. ES went up like crazy. This is insane how we're not going up. Actually nuts how we're not going up yet, bro. This is bullshit. ES is fucking ripping. Yeah, ES is fucking ripping upward while we're still bullshitting around here. Yes, is fucking cooking right now, bro. Oh my goodness. We're still. What the fuck is this? Yes, pumped up like crazy, and you still being a little cuck right now. Saying word, TBH. Yeah, so the reason why I removed stops is because I feel like if we do, if we're still following structure, we could come back down here, chop around here where this previous higher high was created. And if I were to put my stops at break even, I would just get stopped out as soon as we, if we do come back down here, right? This is always an option, right? We boom, make a higher high, higher low, higher high, right? We broke structure on the 1 minute right here. 7 broken structure on 5 minute, right? I feel like if we do come back down, we'd probably be right here, come back up, or we could just be like, you know what, we're gonna create a higher, you know what I mean? Like it's weird sometimes, right? So although like, look, lower low, right? And we create that lower high. Now we created a higher low, right? Fucking low is obviously higher than our previous lower low, right? So it's like, okay, we've kind of switched direction, but not just yet, because we can still go down from here, right? Once we see this, okay, now we're obviously in an uphill track, right? But you see this one right here, right? 1 minute, right? We're at this like this higher, like kind of like our high, right? On the 1 minute, right? And it could either like double top it, which I doubt it's gonna do, right? It looks like we're probably gonna hold this, right? But we could also still retrace back down, right? It's normal, right? Like we are in the zone. We have a little bit of sell off right here, right? Come back down here and go back up again, all right? Reason why I have it up here, I do believe like middle of a zone, it could go all the way up here, right? But if I start seeing rejection and market open, right, on NQ, I'm gonna go ahead and get out. That's what happened yesterday too, right? We started rejecting market open. Literally right here. We came back to market open, right? And we rejected. We get a few more ticks over it, and then we just couldn't break over it, right? So that's why I'm like if we start rejecting market open, I'm chilling. Like it's fine. I don't, I'll get out. We're gonna see how this one goes, though. Hopefully, this does go our way. We have been really cooking on these trades so far. We just don't know how to get out of them. We do have a slight little zone right here too, so you know what I mean. We'll see. Hopefully we do. Hopefully we chop around here and just keep going up. That's what I'm hoping for. I would not want us to go back down here, but if we do come back down here, I mean, I kind of already know like that is a little area, you know. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. this candle closes green like this would be an amazing candle for us to keep going uphill. I do think on one of my accounts I could definitely put this one like up into this zone, right? But probably trail. Alright. So let's see how much we can make it. You could put one right there. Whenever we start going closer, I could definitely, switch it up. Dang, that candle closed fucking red the last like 5 seconds. 1 minute engulfing would be fucking beautiful here if we do have it. That would be literally like our low, our high low right here, and we'd just be going up from there. Let it close like that. That'd be nice. Good, nice. Nice, nice. Super nice. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and go break even. On the other one, we'll just let that one run. As you can see, we're trying to see if we're going to break view up or not. I definitely do think this is a valid hold. I think we're going to be breaking through the zone, trying to chase into market open highs. Market open, yeah, the high of market open. Now we honestly just wait. Just wait. We might as well hop on some Clash Royale in the meantime. Am I right or am I right? See, this one's kind of failing. We already have one at break even. Not failing, but I just don't like how we haven't broken this zone already, right? So we're chopping at this high. 1 minute. Hopefully this can hold us. Hopefully this zone holds us. We stay in it. And we see some more room upward. In the meantime, we on Clash Royale. Yeah, I definitely do not like how this is playing out already. Oh, come on, hold us here, baby. We just tapped into an ES, so we should hopefully come up from here. We literally just tapped into this was like an ES zone right here. That fucking sucks. Break even on one of them. Come on, keep holding this. Keep holding this right here. Hold us up. Hold us up right there. Hold us up, bro. Come on. Don't let us down.
Order filled.
Motherfucker. So this one does. No trailing on this one. What's up? Yeah, what's up, Daily Stocks, bro? How you been, man? Been good still, man? Hope you have been. Dude, this really fucking sucks, bro. Alright, we still got one of them in, so we're not even worried. Dude, that's good, bro. Are you on a funded now or not? are you on evals, my good sir? What happened on this trade? So basically, what I'm trying to do, I'm like basically making an experiment, right? I realize that a lot of the times when I trail, it ends up hitting my TP, right? On a lot of them, like most of them, right? So my experiment here is to see whether trailing is better or non-trailing, right? And it's been very, very weird, right? So like sometimes I'll make the mistake and I just trail super tightly on both and I get out and it hits my TP. Sometimes I won't trail at all on both and then I get stopped out, right? So I'm really just trying to find like what's the best route I should be going at, right? Kind of just like that, right, bro? Nothing to it. Yeah, so that's kind of my experiment right now. Hopefully, bro. I don't know. I'm just trying to see which one's better for me, and then whenever we figure that out, we'll find our balance. You know, I've been do that. Like my entries are really good. I just don't know when to sell, and that's my problem. Like I don't know when to sell. Would you say no, bro? I was about 600 away from being funded and blew it because I wanted 700 or 1K. Damn, bro. What's your account looking like now on it then? Just like, are you like telling bad or is it still looking nice? Bro, but you see, like that's the problem. Like a lot of my trades hit when I don't trail, right? I mean, yeah, when I trail, right? Like I trail super tight, and it hits like let's say like right here, right? I was a trail like right here. They usually fucking hit all the way up here. So yeah, you say you decided to reset. Well, fuck it, yeah, bro. Fresh start, I guess, bro, for sure, bro. If we come back up here, I'll think about taking a long, right? Cause like I don't want it to just tap right here and go long. I want us to stay at like kind of like above here, right? Damn, okay, bro. How much? Well, like, what was your account at for you to decide to reset, bro? Okay. Fuck, dude, that's valid, bro. 500 up, that's a really good day, bro. I'll tell you that's pretty damn good. Where'd you move to, bro? Or you don't want to disclose that information? But that's good, bro. Congrats on moving, bro. Well, I mean, I hope you moved in, you know, somebody you like. Congrats on that, my guy. It was already set at about 50 months, 300. Okay. Yeah, so I guess it makes sense, bro. You should get the new platform, bro. Like it literally like gets you like a reset coin, right? So you know whenever they bill you like a month, well you can still hold the account you're on, and then it gives you a free reset. Like not a free reset because you paid for it, but you know it has like that redeem or reset. So that's fire. Dude, that's fire, bro. That's fucking fire, bro. I'm glad you like it, bro. For real. All right, let's see what we can happen here, bro. See how MES is doing. It's just making a super slow climb up. All green candles except the one we're in right now. Yeah, like today's trade, I was already up about 60 rates and 97 sale and saw pullbacks. I ended up selling 450. Bro, that's not bad. That's $150. You know, I think it was a good hold, bro. So, like, you can't always sell at the top too, is what I think, bro. So like, sometimes I'm like, if I was like 50 ticks away, it's not bad, bro. I can't always sell at the top. Yeah, so you see, we just respected 5 minute. 1 minute looked nice, but it's alright. Little key level tap. See, we respect it. That would be super nice if we do.
Order filled.
Damn, that shit scared the fuck out of me. It just sucks how like ES literally had the same exact thing, and we're still holding like a good amount of ES, and NQ just couldn't do it. It's alright. Trailing countdown 350. I just want to take one trade on here on the non-trailing one. Like ES is just bullshit. NQ is just bullshit, bro. Shit sucks. What a crazy ass dump right here. So MNQ's doing on the daily. We tapped to the bottom of the daily. Had a level where it dropped on ES, which was very close to 7. Gotcha. to, bro. Yeah, for me, like I put one of them break even just because I was like, bro, if we break below this, like we're probably not gonna go any higher, right? Although I did get skeptical as soon as I get stopped out because we did see a little bit, right? But I was like, nah, bro. I was like, this is probably not gonna hit. But yeah, and then I just trailed a little bit. I made it 100 ticks, so I could only be down like not too much. I was gonna be down like 700 if I would have kept it where it was at. It's daily stomps, bro. Bro, I'm so hungry. If you see a pinch right here, this would be nice. Just wants to stay right here. I don't want it to go any higher. Goodness, what a fucking pump, my guy. So you need to chill, bro. Shit can't be going up too high, bro. Definitely wanted to be like right here. My entry. Oh, then we have it in gold right here. See, the thing is, like, we could go long, but we could also go short just because we would be following structure. So I don't know, it's kind of weird. This is an engulfing, which is what I don't like either, too. We'll see. If this engulfs it, we'll go ahead and go long. Can't we just have to engulf it because I don't like this at all. All of the 5 minutes did close green, alright? We are in like an hour. We'll see what happens, bro. I see not looking good either. I might as well just if I go short, that'd be risky. Too late to go short now. Definitely way too fucking late to go short. Motherfucker, we missed it. It is what it is. That would have been crazy. I hate to. Why did you not get out when I hit your zone? You might have more experience. So it's this one right here. Yeah, so that's true, bro. Definitely true. It was a golden zone. Honestly, good question, bro. Good question. I was just expecting like a 1 to 2, right? I think I was just trying to target market high, right? Market open. That's really what I was just trying to target. And yeah, it was definitely in between zones, so I probably should not have taken it. If we were to get it right here, gonna get a nice little 200 tick trade. I think honestly I just got in too late. Didn't want to really run a 101. And that's what really got me. Yeah, definitely. I just wanted more, you know what I mean? Looking for something more, but I think honestly this was mine. It should have been mine. I just thought, right here, I was like, okay, we're gonna break structure, right? Because we created that low that was right here. Well, honestly, why? Why did I do this, bro? I think ES had just targeted a zone on my other one, but very good question, bro. That was stupid. He fought against Golden Zone. I know, bro. I literally just looked at her and I was like, bro, this is a Golden Zone. I just didn't really want to say it on stream. Nah, but yeah, bro. That was definitely a Golden Zone. Look at this 5 minute right here, bro. Target again. Target again. Yeah, that was definitely a Golden Zone, bro. Uh, SMH as well. This is a Golden Zone though we have right here in Miliano. Oh shit, Sage, bro. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. That fucking sucks. What the hell? Down here, yeah. Yeah, I was looking at the hourly too. Look at this. Look at this. A little bit of up. But I had this because of a 5 minute. That's why I had it. I had it all the way back product right there. Very true, very true. Spy just took that double bottom. We're about to hit in a few more ticks. Bam, slice through. We'll see what happens here. Maybe an engulfing. Yeah, we'll go ahead and go long. Just double bottomed on ES. So this zone is pretty valuable. I just want to enter off an engulfing right here. I think this is the only trade I would take. It's an engulfing for the next minute, right? So we're gonna wait for this 5 minute to close. Start of the new 5 minute. Hopefully there's an engulfing right there. Okay, okay. Very bad.
Order filled.
Still no sign. ES is, however, holding the fuck out of that zone on the double bottom. Yeah, that's it. That's the one right there.
Order filled.
That's the one right there, guys. Also, too, I was looking at this, bro. Bro, chill, bro. It's gonna close green, anyways. That's not sad. Bro, but this is like not that bad though. Like, we have a little 1 minute engulfing right here though too, bro. So like, I usually I would wait, right? Usually I would wait. Usually I would, but this is just such like a like it's a golden zone, bro. So these zones like fucking we tap into it fast up. You feel me, bro? If I fail, then I'm fucking stupid, right? Fuck what I said, right? But I feel like whenever we tap into these zones, they full on like they fully like go quick, right? Like get a quick reversal out of them, bro. Like like we can only catch them on the 1 minute kind of ideal, right? Like maybe like a 5 minute pinch. Yeah, look, you're right. We're about to get stopped out.
Order filled.
Okay, we're obviously locking this one out. Yeah, bro was right. Goodness gracious, bro. That's that volume counter though that we say we like to see here. What the fuck? Bro. It's alright. Literally the only thing you would enter off of is just saying gold right here. So, my thought process in this trade, although it failed, right? My thought process is tap into a golden zone, which is like usually always hits, right? 5 minutes, right? So usually when we slice through a zone, like let's just say like example right here, right? Say we just kind of go right here, right? Skip the whole zone, right? Skip it. End up right here, right? We come from like right here, right? Reason why. So this would be considered golden zone, right? We fucking don't even like have anything right here from it, right? Golden zone, come back down to it. It should hit, right? Let me go ahead and do this. So what I'm thinking is like, okay, we're gonna tap into this really quick. You know what I mean? Like off some bullshit and just reverse off it completely. I obviously I should have waited if it looks like right. But I'll say like most of the time, usually we just tap into it, go back up completely. This my cousin was right. Biliano was right. All right, should have waited. Should have waited. I'm just so used to it being really quick, and we literally got stopped out by one tick. That's it. I mean, it could definitely keep going down. So it is what it is, right? But realistically, I would be wanting to wait for an engulfing to happen right here, then for me to enter, right? So like, let's say this 5 minute closes green, perfect entry right there. Other than that, like what I did was just kind of like me shooting the gun, right? If this does turn to an engulfing though, I will be long. I will be long, or perhaps a pinch, right? I will be long. I know I'm already down 374. That's something I would want to long. And yeah, guys, that's basically a rundown of why I entered. All right, let's see. I don't want to go too high.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. Golfing at the golden level right here, bro. Should be a good hit for sure. Now we just wait. Alright. Damn, RIP this one too.
Order filled.
We're at 929. A shit ton. We're down 704. A shit ton too. No worries, bro. That shit's bad. Alright.